the other room trying to kill himself.
I'm gonna do it, Shaggy.
I need to get in there and help him.
I'm gonna freaking do it, Shaggy.
Scoob, help me break the door down. I know what you want.
What?
I know what you want, Shaggy. You want to make a big sandwich.
Oh, come on, Scoob.
No, Shaggy, that's what you want. You want to take a big stack of bread and a big stack of salami and shuffle them all together like a deck of cards and make a big sandwich.
Oh, come on, Scoob.
No, Shaggy, that's what you want. Yeah, you want to make a big sandwich.
Hey, Scoob.
Talking about the perfect sandwich, a stack of salami. Where's the man, right? Shaggy is a businessman,
holding a stack of bread
in his hand, and he might just trade you for a kiss on the cheek.
Shaggy just played you.
Shaggy gon' sneak, Shaggy. Shaggy gon' sneak, get a wet Shaggy. Shaggy gon' sneak, Shaggy. Shaggy gon' sneak, get a wet Shaggy.
Yeah, you want to make a big sandwich.